Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Ontario, a province that boasts an incredible array of stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and unforgettable experiences. From the breathtaking natural beauty of its national parks to the rich cultural tapestry woven through its urban centers, Ontario is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Imagine standing before the majestic Niagara Falls, where the thundering waters create a mesmerizing spectacle that draws millions of visitors each year. Or picture yourself wandering through the picturesque streets of Toronto, where the iconic CN Tower pierces the skyline and diverse neighborhoods offer a taste of global cuisine and culture. But Ontario is not just about its bustling cities, it is also home to serene lakes, lush forests, and charming small towns. The stunning landscapes of Algonquin Provincial Park invite outdoor enthusiasts to hike, canoe, and immerse themselves in nature's tranquility. Meanwhile, the stunning shores of Lake Huron and the breathtaking vistas of the Bruce Peninsula showcase the province's natural wonders, perfect for those seeking adventure or relaxation. In this video, we will take you on a journey through some of the most amazing places in Ontario, highlighting the unique experiences that await you. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or someone looking to indulge in culinary delights, Ontario has something for everyone. So, join us as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Ontario a must-visit destination. Get ready to be inspired and captivated by the wonders that await you in this beautiful province. Niagara Falls. A natural wonder. Niagara Falls is undoubtedly one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, captivating millions of visitors each year with its majestic beauty and powerful cascades. Straddling the border between Canada and the United States, the falls consist of three distinct waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. The sheer volume of water plunging over the cliffs creates a mesmerizing spectacle, with mist rising high into the air and rainbows often gracing the scene, making it a photographer's paradise. The significance of Niagara Falls extends beyond its stunning visuals. It plays a crucial role in Ontario's tourism industry. The falls attract approximately 14 million visitors annually, contributing significantly to the local economy. Tourists flock to experience the awe-inspiring views and partake in various activities that enhance their visit. One of the most popular experiences is the iconic boat tour, known as the Maid of the Mist, which takes guests right up to the base of the falls, allowing them to feel the refreshing spray and hear the thunderous roar of the water. In addition to the falls themselves, the surrounding area offers a wealth of attractions. Niagara Parks, a beautifully maintained green space, features walking trails, gardens, and picnic areas, perfect for a leisurely day outdoors. Visitors can also explore local wineries in the Niagara-on-the-Lake region, where they can indulge in wine tastings and tours, further enriching their experience. With its breathtaking beauty and diverse activities, Niagara Falls truly stands as a crown jewel of Ontario, inviting everyone to explore its wonders. Algonquin Provincial Park. A wilderness escape. Algonquin Provincial Park is a breathtaking wilderness escape that showcases the stunning natural beauty of Ontario. Spanning over 7,600 square kilometers, the park is renowned for its diverse landscapes, featuring rolling hills, pristine lakes, and dense forests. The vibrant colors of the changing seasons create a picturesque backdrop, making it a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. One of the park's most captivating features is its rich wildlife. Visitors may encounter a variety of species, including moose, black bears, and a plethora of bird species, making wildlife watching a popular activity. The park's extensive network of hiking trails offers opportunities to explore its scenic beauty up close, with routes suitable for all skill levels. From leisurely strolls to challenging hikes, each trail provides a unique perspective of Algonquin's enchanting landscapes. Outdoor activities abound in Algonquin Provincial Park, with canoeing being a favorite pastime. The park boasts over 1,500 kilometers of canoe routes, allowing adventurers to paddle through tranquil waters while soaking in the serene surroundings. Camping is another popular option, with numerous campgrounds available for those looking to immerse themselves in nature overnight. Preserving Ontario's natural heritage is of utmost importance, and Algonquin Provincial Park plays a vital role in this endeavor. As one of the oldest provincial parks in Canada, it serves as a sanctuary for wildlife and a space for visitors to connect with nature. By promoting conservation efforts and responsible outdoor practices, we can ensure that future generations will continue to enjoy the breathtaking beauty and recreational opportunities that Algonquin has to offer. Toronto. The urban gem. Toronto, often referred to as the urban gem of Canada, is a vibrant metropolis that showcases a rich tapestry of culture, diversity, and attractions. At the heart of the city stands the iconic CN Tower, a symbol of Toronto's skyline. Rising 553 meters, it offers breathtaking panoramic views from its observation deck, allowing visitors to take in the sprawling cityscape and the shimmering waters of Lake Ontario. Just a short distance away, the Royal Ontario Museum invites exploration of its vast collections, ranging from natural history to world cultures, making it a must-visit for art and history enthusiasts. Toronto's charm lies not only in its landmarks but also in its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. From the trendy streets of Kensington Market, filled with eclectic shops and vibrant street art, to the historic charm of the Distillery District, known for its Victorian-era buildings and artisanal boutiques, there is something for everyone. The city is also a culinary paradise, offering a global dining experience that reflects its multicultural population. Food lovers can indulge in everything from authentic dim sum in Chinatown to gourmet dishes in the upscale restaurants of Yorkville. As a cultural hub in Canada, Toronto hosts numerous festivals, art exhibitions, and performances throughout the year, celebrating the creativity and talent of its residents. The city's thriving arts scene, including the Toronto International Film Festival, attracts global attention and showcases the best in film and entertainment. With its iconic landmarks, diverse neighborhoods, and rich cultural offerings, Toronto truly stands out as a dynamic urban destination waiting to be explored. Ottawa. The capital city. Ottawa, the capital city of Canada, is a vibrant hub of history, culture, and governance. At the heart of the city lies Parliament Hill, an iconic symbol of Canadian democracy. This stunning architectural masterpiece, with its impressive Gothic Revival style, serves as the seat of the federal government. Visitors can explore the grounds, witness the changing of the guard ceremony, and even take guided tours of the historic buildings, gaining insight into the nation's political processes and history. Another must-visit attraction is the National Gallery of Canada, home to an extensive collection of Canadian and international art. The gallery's striking glass and granite structure houses masterpieces from renowned artists, including the Group of Seven and contemporary works that reflect the diverse cultural landscape of the country. The gallery not only showcases art but also serves as a space for dialogue and reflection on Canada's artistic heritage. Ottawa is also known for its lively events that celebrate Canadian culture and community. Canada Day, held on July 1st, transforms the city into a festive atmosphere filled with parades, concerts, and fireworks, drawing thousands of visitors to the capital. In winter, the Winterlude Festival brings joy to the chilly months, featuring ice sculptures, outdoor skating on the Rideau Canal, and various winter activities that highlight the beauty of the season. As the political and administrative center of Canada, Ottawa plays a crucial role in the country's history and governance. Its rich heritage, combined with its vibrant cultural scene and significant landmarks, makes Ottawa a captivating destination for those looking to explore the heart of Canada. Muskoka. The Hamptons of the North. Muskoka, often referred to as the Hamptons of the North, is a breathtaking region in Ontario known for its stunning landscapes and luxurious experiences. Nestled among crystal-clear lakes, rolling hills, and lush forests, Muskoka offers a picturesque setting that captivates visitors year-round. The region is dotted with charming cottages and upscale resorts, making it a popular destination for summer vacations and weekend getaways. The recreational activities available in Muskoka are abundant and diverse. Visitors can enjoy boating, kayaking, and paddleboarding on the pristine waters of Lake Muskoka, Lake Rosso, and Lake Joseph. Fishing enthusiasts can cast their lines for bass, trout, and pike, while nature lovers can explore the numerous hiking trails that wind through the area, offering breathtaking views and opportunities for wildlife spotting. In the warmer months, the region comes alive with outdoor festivals, art shows, and farmers markets, showcasing local artisans and fresh produce. Muskoka's appeal extends beyond its natural beauty. It is also home to a vibrant social scene. Local events and festivals, such as the Muskoka Arts and Crafts Show and the Muskoka Lakes Music Festival, celebrate the region's charm and creativity. These gatherings provide a perfect opportunity for visitors to immerse themselves in the local culture while enjoying live music, art, and delicious cuisine. With its stunning landscapes, luxurious accommodations, and a plethora of recreational activities, Muskoka truly embodies the essence of a perfect summer retreat. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, this enchanting region promises an unforgettable experience in the heart of Ontario's wilderness. In this video, we have journeyed through the remarkable wonders and attractions that Ontario has to offer, showcasing the diverse experiences that make this province a must-visit destination. From the breathtaking beauty of Niagara Falls, where the thundering waters create a mesmerizing spectacle, to the serene landscapes of Algonquin Provincial Park, perfect for outdoor adventures, Ontario is a treasure trove of natural wonders. We explored the vibrant urban life of Toronto, with its iconic landmarks and rich cultural scene, and delved into the historical significance of Ottawa, the heart of Canadian governance. Muskoka, known as the Hamptons of the North, captivated us with its picturesque lakes and luxurious experiences, making it an ideal spot for summer vacations and cottage getaways. Each of these locations offers unique attractions and activities that cater to a wide range of interests, ensuring that every visitor can find something to love. As we wrap up our exploration of Ontario's wonders, we encourage you to experience these amazing places for yourself. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural enrichment, Ontario has it all. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel experiences and insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to exploring more incredible destinations with you in the future.